Hi, welcome to Oumere, and I'm Wendy, and these are the 4 routines that you can follow depending on your skin type. This routine is for those who characterize their skin as oily. Oily skin can occur in spots, such as the T-zone, or it can be all over. The first step is to exfoliate using the No. 9 Daily Chemical Exfoliant. The No. 9 exfoliant should be diluted for those who are unaccustomed to chemical exfoliation. We recommend diluting with equal parts distilled water for the first few weeks of use. Note that those with oily skin, some may experience a skin purge when first using No. 9. This is normal, and after a few days or a couple weeks, your skin will clear. Apply about 15 drops of No. 9 onto a cotton pad and dilute with equal parts water right onto the cotton pad and blot into the skin. Make sure to apply enough to cover the entire face, but do not put too much on so that the skin feels too wet. Doing so could cause skin dryness. We advise letting the No. 9 sit on the skin for up to 30 minutes. The longer it sits, the more it works. For those who are new to using No. 9, we recommend starting off with just letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And over 1 month, work your way up to the full 30 minutes. After the allotted time has passed, apply UVR. UVR is your age-reversing serum because of its high concentration of plant extracts that prevent and clean up aging down to the cellular level. Apply about 10 to 15 drops to clean hands and press into the skin. You can use as much UVR as you desire. Wait 1 minute to allow the serum to seep into the skin. For those with very oily or acne-prone skin, we recommend abstaining from using bioluminol in the morning for the first 2 to 4 weeks, or until oiliness or acne has shown signs of improvement. Once improvement is experienced, we recommend just a pea-sized amount in the morning and gradually working your way up to more over a few months' time. At this point, you are ready to apply the sunscreen of your choice.